Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rachel Geilenfeld. I manage external relations for Sukup Manufacturing Company, and I currently serve as chair of the Iowa AgriTech Accelerator Operating Company Board. We are so thrilled to have all of you spend a few minutes with us this afternoon as we announce our 2020 cohort. First, I'd like to take just a minute to tell you about Eugene Sukup. He was a classic entrepreneur. He decided there had to be a better way of breaking up clumps of grain in a grain bin than just using a shovel. So his first invention, a manual stirring machine priced at $29, was decidedly a failure. But Eugene, as an entrepreneur, went back to the drawing board. He improved the product, and he founded Sukup Manufacturing Company back in 1963. Today, Sukup employs 600 and has sold product in more than 85 countries. We are the world's largest family-owned and operated manufacturer of grain storage, grain drying and handling equipment, and steel buildings. Our keys to growth have been a commitment to the best customer service in the industry and continuous innovation as agriculture has evolved. Sukup was one of the original investors in the Iowa AgriTech Accelerator. Supporting agtech startups is part of our innovation message and also a way to establish Iowa as the mecca for the newest technology solutions for agriculture. Along with the other highly regarded investors in the accelerator, we provide resources and industry guidance to the cohort members. While we are certainly aware of the challenges impacting all of us this year, we are excited to get started with this year's Iowa AgriTech Accelerator program and begin investing in this class of agriculture entrepreneurs. So now I'll turn it over to Nadelia Gomez, the Executive Director of the Iowa AgriTech Accelerator, to get started with our 2020 cohort announcement. Go ahead, Nadelia.
Thank you, Rachel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are joining us today. I am thrilled that you can be here to be part of this big announcement where we reveal the startups that will be part of our 2020 cohort. Since 2017, the Iowa AgriTech Accelerator has been bringing to Des Moines, Iowa, 4 to 6 startups every year. These startups are selected to go through a program that is focused on mentorship, and it lasts 100 days. During those 100 days, the startup founders have an opportunity to connect with mentors, connect with customers, and also develop their business ideas. More importantly, they explore strategic partnerships with ag and tech industry leaders. This year has been exceptionally difficult in many different forms to everyone. Entrepreneurs have seen some slowing down of those connections that open up possibilities for them after programs. And we also notice that whether you are in the food production side or whether you are on the consumer side, we've all experienced the impact that this year has had on the production of food and the distribution of food. Nevertheless, the Iowa AgriTech Accelerator community has been resilient and it has been inspiring. All the startups that applied to our program were still eager to be part of a program like the one we offer. And even there were startups that considered this opportunity to reignite their commitment to solving big ag problems that were exacerbated by the pandemic. Our mentors and our investors too reaffirmed their commitment to the ag tech startup community and to Iowa. They said, look, this isn't going to stop us. We're going to go ahead and embrace new technologies, new tools, new formats to still be able to deliver the same level and even better of commitment and engagement with the startups. And all of that was inspiring. The accelerator also evolved. Look, we've changed our physical infrastructure where we would have had a public announcement of our startups, and here we are conducting our very first live stream. But guess what? Through these challenges, we will be able to learn more about the things that work and improve those things that don't. And so I guarantee you that after this is all over, and it will at some point, we will be able to continue to deliver the same high quality mentorship that the ag startup founders need. And we will continue to elevate Iowa as a leader in providing that ag mentorship that these startups so much need. So I'm very excited to show you these 2020 startups, and I know you are too. You're probably cheering and applauding from your rooms, so why don't we just get right to it? The first startup that I'm going to introduce is NSense. NSense is developing a soil nitrate sensor that can be adjusted on farming equipment and used to determine real-time, on-the-go soil nitrogen concentrations. This sensing technology has sufficient accuracy to facilitate precision application of nitrogen fertilizers, enabling sustainable, cost-effective, and environmentally sound fertilizer management. We asked the founder of NSense, Natalia Rogovska, about the benefits she's looking forward to most through the accelerator. Let's hear what she had to say.
The greatest value of Iowa AgriTech Accelerator for our company is, first of all, numerous networking opportunities and business connections with various agribusinesses represented by accelerator mentors. This program in particular will help us to explore potential for future collaborations and partnership as we develop a business in the next several years. We are ready to learn from our mentors who pack years and years of valuable experience and skills in developing businesses like ours. NSense is honored to be part of Fourth Accelerator, and we are looking forward to meeting other team members and working with our mentors.
Natalia, we also believe that the mentors are the cornerstone of our program. Many of them are joining us today, learning about all the startups that we will have in this year. And I'm excited to know that NSense will be interacting with them. Our second startup is Digital Spring. Digital Spring delivers cloud-based agronomic analytic solutions that are tailored to individual farmers. From a web application to keep farmers on task with year-end costs, to a three-dimensional map that helps us understand soil moisture and how it changes over time, and even simulations that can predict next year's profits. Digital Spring aims to increase crop yields and reduce farming costs. Jim Canyon, founder of Digital Spring, tells us what motivated him to be part of the ag tech industry.
Hi, I'm Jim Canyon, founder and CEO of Digital Spring. We're a software as a service company in the ag tech space. Our simple to use software addresses farm practice optimization, farm land optimization, and it's highlighted by our whole farm P&L simulation tool designed to increase profits 10 to 40%. I've been asked what motivates us to be part of the ag tech industry. You know, throughout my life as a design engineer, I've watched the growth of simulators build great companies like Broadcom and Qualcomm. As simulators got better, cell phones got smaller, and the internet got faster. Today's farmers don't have the benefit of inexpensive, accurate simulation tools, and we're going to change that. Today's ag tech industry is exciting, building on breakthroughs in farm equipment, genetics, nutrient, and chemical optimization. But let's face it, farm productivity demands aren't going away. I believe the solution to significant productivity improvement will come from big data and ag tech. More importantly, the epicenter of this technology development will be right here in Iowa. We view our partnerships with Iowa State University and Ag Iowa as the best way to introduce Digital Spring to the community and deliver tomorrow's technology this October.
Jim, Iowa is definitely a powerhouse for ag tech. And we couldn't agree more that those partnerships that you'll be building throughout this summer are irreplaceable. We're halfway there, folks. There are two more startups I'd like to introduce. The next startup is SenseGrass. SenseGrass focuses on patented, first-of-a-kind, Internet of Things sensors and artificial intelligence algorithms to detect nutrient deficiencies and crop diseases and improve soil efficiency and crop yield. Combining cutting-edge technology like nano-satellite mapping, robots, and AI-based mobile and web applications, SenseGrass aims to make farming super efficient and easy. Lalit Gautam, founder of SenseGrass, tells us what attracted him to Iowa and the Iowa AgriTech Accelerator.
Being an agtech company into the soil intelligence, no other place better than us like Iowa. 90% of the land in Iowa is dedicated for the farming. Iowa is one of the leading producers of soya, corn kind of crops, which is the leading crops we are working. Iowa AgTech Accelerator is one of the best platform for us to leverage this opportunity. The great mentors and the partners of Iowa AgTech Accelerator going to help us to improve our product and expand our operations in the US. We are looking forward to work with this program and expand our operations and business in the US. Thank you.
We are very excited to help position Iowa, the Midwest, and the world to work towards the improvements that farmers will find most beneficial. SenseGrass, I'd love to see how you take all that information and advance your product. Our fourth and final startup for this year is Curiosity Labs. Curiosity Labs creates microscope devices that use computer vision to examine soil samples and detect the presence of nematodes. In addition, these computer vision enhanced microscopes can see things that the naked human eye cannot detect. And that data is very important for ag biotech professionals to improve yield and sustainability of farming. Founder Denis Tamiev gave us an inside look about what outcome he anticipates from participating in the accelerator.
Hi, my name is Dennis and I'm one of the founders of Curiosity Labs, and our team is very excited to be a part of the Accelerator's cohort this summer. Our main objective is to get connected with large ag biotech companies and learn how our data and our technology can help those large companies create better products, increase farming yields and sustainability of farming. We're very excited to see everyone and kick off the program later this July. All right, take care.
And there you have it, the 4 startups that form part of our 2020 Iowa AgriTech Accelerator. The program starts on July 8th and runs until October 16th. So you're going to want to stay tuned to the progress that these startups make during the summer. And before we leave, I'd like to give thanks to the Iowa AgriTech Accelerator investor companies: Farmers Mutual Hail Insurance, Grinnell Mutual, John Deere, Corteva AgriSciences, Sukup Manufacturing, Kent Corporation, and Onset Computer Corporation. Your support for our program enables us to deliver mentorship and assistance to these startups. The time, energy, and expertise that you bring to the table strengthens the AgTech startup community in Iowa. I know it's cliche, but we can't do this without you. Once again, thank you for joining us today. Amidst the toughest of circumstances, the Iowa AgriTech Accelerator celebrates another cohort ready to share our commitment to help startup founders bring innovative solutions and services to farmers while reinforcing Iowa's leadership role in ag tech entrepreneurship. Congratulations to our startups. Let the 2020 Iowa AgriTech Accelerator program begin.